Hello, listener. This is your RJ Chandrika, and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defense, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingale Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar. Project Investigator Alok Verma, Coordinator Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha, Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated Elderly Line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, enquiries and support to elderly. Everyone enjoys world games like Scrabble, but little do people know how to use them as a metaphor. To present an amazing view on the same lines, we have Miss Rupa Ramamurthy comparing life to the game of Scrabble. Over to Rupa ma'am.
Life and the game of Scrabble. I fell in love with Scrabble the first time I played the game. For me, it was love at first word. The romance continues, just as fresh and heady now as it was many years ago. Recently, I've been reflecting. Isn't life a bit like a game of Scrabble? The board laid out before you, blank with endless opportunities and mysteries. What's it going to be like? You are at once excited and a little anxious. The letters are then pulled out from the bag, unknown and full of surprises. You may or may not get what you desire, but you do the best with what you have. The 7 letters, like the 7 days of the week, each filled with opportunities and new hope. Sometimes you score your highest, while at other times you just get by. But then you know you will have other chances and things will surely look up. You have hope. Sometimes you are stuck with a Z or a Q, ones that can give you the highest score, and yet are the most difficult to use. Just like the difficult choices we have to make in life. But once done, they can be the most rewarding. At other times, you draw a blank, unsure of where to go or what to do. The blank is the time when you take a break and introspect about the endless possibilities on hand and make the best choice possible. The game of Scrabble can be extremely competitive, ruthless even, but it is also fun and filled with the joy of little achievements. At the end of the game, all these little achievements add up and are what matter the most. And when it's time to put the tiles away, we may have played the game such that we sigh with contentment with all that has been achieved, even if we had a few misses. What matters more is how we played the game, with zest and joy or complaining and comparing. Each of us have our own game to play, different and unique. When the one great scorer comes to write against your name, He writes not that you won or lost, but how you played the game. So let the game go on. Make a word or world of difference. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rupa ma'am, for the lovely talk. Listeners, I hope you too enjoyed the program. Stay tuned to Iriyara Vani for more such programs. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, enquiries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.